Hey guys, I'm back with a video that's a bit different, and honestly, I was kinda shocked when I saw this. As you can see, my nail has lifted a little from the nail bed, right here at the free edge. It's called onycholysis, which basically means the nail separated from the skin underneath. That's why it looks white or yellowish. There are a few reasons this can happen. I've listed them in the description. Make sure to watch this video till the end, so if you ever see something like this, you'll know exactly what to do. As always, the first step is prep and manicure. Then I'm cutting off the part that's lifted from the nail bed using a nipper. You guys definitely need to do this, or it'll keep lifting a little more every day. Then I'm using a diamond manicure bit to gently clean the skin, kind of like a massage. You might be wondering what caused this. I'm pretty sure it's from working on my own nails too often for content, sometimes even twice a week. That constant removing and reapplying definitely damaged the nail plate. Luckily, the matrix wasn't affected otherwise. The nail might have stopped growing completely. Make sure the primer and base gel never touch the skin. That's why it's better to apply a thin layer of base gel with a brush, just like I'm doing, using gentle massage motions. I'm using fiberglass strands to repair the nail. Then I'm applying another thin layer of base. No need to cover the whole nail. Now I'm placing the fiberglass strands on the nail and gently spreading them out so they lay nice and even on the surface. Fiberglass not only helps repair the nail, but also prevents the product from touching the skin. Next, I'm applying a thin layer of clear builder gel over the fiberglass strands and curing it until it's fully hardened. Next, I'm moving on to the dual form. I'm choosing the right size and shape, filling it with clear builder gel, and then placing it onto the nail. As you can see, it doesn't need any filing. I'm just shortening the length. This is one of the best ways to treat and repair onycholysis. It allows the nail to slowly reattach to the nail bed as it grows. It usually takes about 3 to 6 months, and you can repeat this repair every month if needed. What about you guys? Have you ever had this happen? If you've got your own tips or tricks, share them down below. I always love learning from you too.